The Recipe Room. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and tricks to help you make the perfect hamburger sandwich. Ingredients: ground chuck, 80/20 beef to fat ratio, salt, pepper, butter, optional, burger toppings of your choice, cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup, mayonnaise. Instructions: start by choosing the right beef to fat ratio for your hamburger. We recommend an 80/20 ratio, which means 80% beef to 20% fat. This will give you just enough fat to make your burger juicy. When seasoning your burger, it's important to salt it right before cooking. This is because salt draws out moisture from proteins, which can lead to a dry burger if you salt it too early. If you're cooking your burgers on a stovetop, you can baste them with butter as they cook to add more fat and make them even juicier. 7. While your burgers are cooking, be sure not to press down on them with your spatula. 8. This will squeeze out the juices and result in a less juicy burger. 9. Once your burgers are cooked, let them rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This will allow the juices inside to redistribute and prevent them from dripping out when you bite into the burger. To assemble your hamburger sandwich, start by toasting your bun. Then add your desired toppings such as cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup, and mayonnaise. And there you have it. Follow these simple tips and you'll have a delicious hamburger sandwich every time. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more great recipes. Thanks for watching.